Alright, picture this. You've been trading on Robinhood. Maybe you've hit a sweet win, or you just need some cash for, well, life. You go to transfer those funds out, and bam! You hit a wall. A limit. A roadblock. You're left staring at your screen wondering, wait, how much can I actually take out of here? Ever been there? Or are you worried about hitting that wall in the future? If that question has ever crossed your mind, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the often overlooked, yet crucial, topic of Robinhood's daily withdrawal limits. We're not just going to give you a number, though. We're going to break down the nuances, the factors that influence those limits, and how to navigate them like a pro. Let's be honest, Robinhood, with its sleek interface and commission-free trading, has democratized investing for millions. But like any financial platform, it has rules and regulations in place to protect both itself and its users. And withdrawal limits are a key part of that. So, let's cut to the chase. What is the daily withdrawal limit on Robinhood? Well, the answer, as it often is in the world of finance, isn't a simple, one-size-fits-all number. Robinhood doesn't typically impose a hard, fixed daily withdrawal limit in the traditional sense. Instead, your ability to withdraw funds is primarily tied to a few key factors: your account type, your available settled cash, and the platform's internal security measures. First, let's talk about settled cash. This is the most crucial aspect. When you sell a stock or other investment, the funds don't immediately become available for withdrawal. There's a settlement period, typically 2 business days, known as T+2. This is an industry-standard practice, not just something unique to Robinhood. It's in place to allow for the transfer of ownership and to prevent fraud. So, if you just sold a bunch of stock, you'll have to wait 2 business days before you can withdraw those funds. Trying to withdraw unsettled cash will result in a rejected transfer. This is where many people get tripped up. They see the money in their account, but it's not yet settled. Now, let's move on to account types. Robinhood offers 2 main account types, Robinhood Instant and Robinhood Gold. Robinhood Instant allows you to access instant deposits and instant settlements on certain trades. Robinhood Gold, a premium subscription service, offers even more benefits, including larger instant deposits and access to margin trading. While these account types don't directly dictate a hard daily withdrawal limit, they do influence the speed at which funds become available for withdrawal. For example, Robinhood Gold users may have access to larger instant deposits, which can indirectly affect the amount they can withdraw in a given day. But remember, those instant deposits still need to settle before you can withdraw them. Another key factor to consider is Robinhood's internal security measures. These measures are in place to protect your account and prevent fraudulent activity. Robinhood employs various algorithms and checks to detect suspicious transactions. If your withdrawal request triggers any of these security measures, it may be delayed or even rejected. For instance, unusually large withdrawal requests, especially from accounts with limited trading history, might raise red flags. Similarly, withdrawals to unverified bank accounts or accounts in different names can also trigger security alerts. Robinhood also reserves the right to impose temporary withdrawal restrictions in certain situations, such as during periods of high market volatility or system maintenance. These restrictions are typically temporary and are put in place to ensure the stability of the platform. So, how do you navigate these potential roadblocks and ensure smooth withdrawals? Here are a few key tips. Understand the T+2 settlement period. This is the golden rule. Always wait 2 business days after selling an asset before attempting to withdraw the funds. Plan your withdrawals accordingly. Verify your bank account. Make sure your bank account is properly verified with Robinhood. This will minimize the risk of security-related delays. Keep your account information up to date. Ensure your contact information and other account details are accurate and current. This will help Robinhood verify your identity and prevent fraudulent activity. Avoid large, uncharacteristic withdrawals. If you need to withdraw a large sum of money, consider breaking it up into smaller, more manageable transactions over a few days. Monitor your account activity. Regularly review your account activity for any suspicious transactions. If you notice anything unusual, contact Robinhood support immediately. Use Robinhood Gold wisely. If you're a Robinhood Gold subscriber, take advantage of the instant deposits and other benefits, but remember that those funds still need to settle. Contact Robinhood support. If you encounter any issues with your withdrawals, don't hesitate to contact Robinhood support. They can provide guidance and help resolve any problems. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about Robinhood's withdrawal limits. Some people believe that Robinhood imposes a fixed daily withdrawal limit of a certain dollar amount. This is generally not true. As we've discussed, the limits are primarily tied to settled cash and security measures, not a fixed dollar amount. Another misconception is that Robinhood intentionally delays withdrawals to prevent users from accessing their funds. This is also not true. Robinhood has a vested interest in ensuring smooth and efficient withdrawals. Delays are typically due to settlement periods or security measures, not intentional roadblocks. It's also important to remember that Robinhood is a regulated financial institution. It's subject to various rules and regulations, including those related to anti-money laundering and know your customer requirements. These regulations can sometimes affect withdrawal processes. In short, while Robinhood doesn't advertise a specific, hard daily limit, the practical limitations come from the rules of the financial industry itself and their own security measures. You are limited to the amount of settled cash you have available, and any sudden, large, or suspicious withdrawal can trigger a security review. So, to recap, the key takeaways are: your withdrawal ability is primarily tied to settled cash. The T+2 settlement period is crucial. Robinhood's security measures can affect withdrawal times. Account type can indirectly influence withdrawal speed. Always verify your bank account and keep your information up to date. Understanding these factors will help you navigate Robinhood's withdrawal process with ease and avoid any unexpected delays. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.